Good morning, good morning, good morning. In my last video, I was not talking. Today, I'm talking. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, new subscribers as well as those that's been hanging in there with me for a while. Thank you for liking my videos, commenting, sharing. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're watching this video right now, I'd like you to also become a part of the G&G family if you have not subscribed yet. So what are you waiting on? Go ahead, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and become a part of the family so you'll know what's going on. You'll know exactly when I upload a video. I am getting ready for work. And last night, as I was putting these braids in my hair, it was for a purpose. My hair is so frizzy. So I decided that I was going to put in, I think it's like 6 braids because I only did 2 in the back. No, 3 in the back. So that makes it 7. And as I was putting the braid in, I realized that pretty much this is my go-to hairstyle. But I've never said that. And I've heard others say that my go-to hairstyle is. And so today I'm going to say that my go-to hairstyle is a braid out. And anything else that I do is for a specific purpose. My purposes in the past was to decrease frizz, I've done hairstyles to get it off of my neck, to prepare for the summer, and for various reasons. Sometimes I do a hairstyle just for the purpose of creating a video and keeping up with my scheduled video publishing. There we go. That's the back of my hair. I could take this braid, take it back, and take these and take it back. And I could have a hairstyle. But today, I think I want to show off a little bit. This week will be my retightening. And I have pretty much a lot of new growth. And I'm looking forward to my retightening. I always get excited about it. So I wanted you to see how my hair looks now that it needs to be retightened. Now, the grid is always there. It may look a little messy because of the new growth, but it's there. And so today I'm showing you what my hair looks like after I do a braid out, so you can see the look of it. But if you can see that, you'll notice that it is a bit messy on the grid. Now I know that Thursday evening, man, this thing is going to look so good. I'm going to be so happy to see my hair looking that way. I'm going to put a part right here so you can see this. The grid's there, of course, but I have all this. My new growth is there, guys. Yeah. And I'm going to get this done. But today, I think I just want to let my hair flow. And I will. I have upcoming news for you. Things are changing in my life, and they're changing for the better. Some things, sometimes things are changing and you're just not sure. And as time goes by, you realize, wow, it's just wonderful. I was asking my husband this weekend, one of the questions I asked him, because You don't know what direction things are going to go in sometime. But I give God all the glory for the wonderful things that he's done in my life. Oh, one time I was trying to find a lock that had a hard end. And at the time I couldn't find it. You guys, look at this. You gotta see it. Right here. This is so hard. It's no longer like a curl, but it's hard. Yes, finally. And it is in the back. It just decided to make its way to the front and show off like I wanted to show off this morning. So I guess this lock just decided I'm just going to show you up today. I am going to be the show off. Yes, but I was asking my husband, I said, did you think that after 43, 43, we were married in 77, 21, oh my goodness, almost 43 years, that we'd be reaching over and touching each other like this after all this time? No, because we thought that people our age back then were old and that, these things don't happen at that age, but it does. So the love that my husband and I share, I am so proud of it and never thought that it would be that way. Although when we were young, we always said, I love you today and I'll love you even more tomorrow. And it is tomorrow. And we realize that that statement fed into us, and it's true. And it is true. So I'll be giving you some more information later on how things are changing. But I got to get out of here and go to work. I have 5 more weeks. This is 5 more weeks. A little bit more of the grid. Yes, and I'll be filling you in. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. I love my followers. But I especially love God because he has blessed me so much that I can share my blessings with you and the stories of my blessing so that you will understand how good God is. Have a good day. Have a wonderful day.